To discuss this, we have a special guest today, senior journalist Richard Libby, former bureau chief of Washington Post. Richard, thank you so much for giving your precious time. I just want to know about this very important subject, which is under discussion everywhere in the West and East these days, because two nuclear powers kind of stand off and there was a proper war after that. So I just want to know in this context that how do you see this situation? Like, is the Indus Waters Treaty merely a political tool, or does it represent a moral commitment? What would its collapse means for a world already losing faith in international rules and norms?
More than anything, from my perspective, water can be used as a weapon. It can be used in war, clearly. It has been, to shut off populations from water, to dam up water supplies. And that is a part of war that isn't discussed too much. But if you look at the current situation between Pakistan and India, I think you are on the brink. There's a threat to 240 million Pakistanis in terms of its farming and just mere survival. There's a stand by India that it is contending, it is completely in the right. I don't know that the world, the wider world, has too much of a grasp of the politics, but certainly they can understand the humanitarian elements of this. My view is that neither country wins if this treaty dissolves. And it cannot dissolve by the simple annulment by one side, as you know.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।